Equipment that combines harvesting and baling. The strong lawnmower. As a result of technology's ongoing advancements, agricultural equipment is now better than before. For daily updates on agricultural and technological videos, subscribe to the Mr. Machine channel. Join us as we discover the tools that are currently transforming the agricultural sector. Harvesting seed corn in a remote cornfield. Since it began operating last week, this machine has collected thousands of ears of seed corn. By moving the harvesting machine through the corn rows and utilizing a barrier to catch the corn plants inside the harvesting machine, corn is harvested. The device separates the corn from the plant using blades and gears. Afterwards, put it in the storage space. The harvesting procedure is where commercial maize and seed corn most significantly diverge. This corn harvester gathers the corn whole rather than shelling it. The kernels are then removed from the cobs at a production facility in preparation for packing and shipment to individual corn farmers. The following year, commercial maize is grown using these seeds in order to harvest commercial maize in the autumn. Farmers will plant and care for these seeds all summer long. Since a result, the maize production cycle benefits from this seed maize harvesting procedure, since it helps to preserve a supply of high-quality seed, thus making certain that farmers have adequate seeds to create a commercial maize. John is a farmer from Illinois in the United States, likewise the proprietor of On Track Farming Inc. He has built a productive and profitable farm by making investments in contemporary equipment and technology. John made the decision to harvest his corn this year using the most recent Lexion 8800 combined from claws. A 16-row corn head is present. Months in advance, he diligently prepared for the harvest. Everything has become swift and effective thanks to this great equipment. The 16-row header allows the combine to harvest a larger area more quickly and efficiently. Knowing that new machinery has aided him in achieving high productivity and greater product quality, John is extremely pleased and proud of his work. Have you ever seen a harvesting device this large? One of the most cutting-edge and contemporary harvesters available is the Lexion 780 TT combined harvester, intended to harvest a range of crops. This mixture works very well for harvesting wheat and barley with a 12.8-liter engine and a maximum output of 626 horsepower. This machine can operate powerfully and effectively under the most difficult circumstances. In order to provide stable and enduring functioning over an extended period of time, the harvester is additionally fitted with a water and air cooling system. This harvester also has a number of cutting-edge features to guarantee maximum performance and accuracy. The grain meter CMO is automated and Vario harvesting heads are just a few of the harvesting heads that can be attached to it. In conclusion, the Class Lexion 780TT harvester is among the most cutting-edge and sophisticated harvesters available today. This machine is the best option for farmers and producers of wheat and barley all over the world, thanks to its great performance and modern features. The Ox-TE is a cutting-edge patented fully autonomous electric tractor that is powered by a 380-volt three-phase cable line. The distinctive quality of Ox-E is its ability to supply electricity via a cable with a maximum length of 1,500 meters that is connected to a 380-volt line with a power range of 50 to 100 kilowatts. It can function on up to 225 hectares of land with just one power outlet. The Ox-E can be powered by renewable energy sources including hydropower, solar, wind, or biogas, which promotes energy independence and the circular economy. It can carry out farming operations without the assistance of a human thanks to autonomous GPS technology. The operator may quickly set all necessary parameters on their computer. With the exception of programming and equipment change procedures, and instructions are then sent to the tractor, which could accomplish the task with the highest degree of reliability. Technology is always evolving. Machines are getting better all the time, greatly advancing contemporary agriculture. A specialized machine, the MH seeding apparatus. 5 lines is a piece of contemporary technology made to help farmers cultivate more effectively. The equipment is completely loaded with cutting-edge features and technology, including the capacity to plant 5 rows of plants simultaneously, which helps to increase production by a factor of 2 when compared to conventional planters. Additionally, this device has an automatic watering system. It encourages rapid development by keeping plants moist during planting. In contemporary farming, the creation and use of contemporary machinery such as harvesters is crucial in enhancing output effectiveness and lowering labor expenses. Utilizing a contemporary harvester also contributes to increased output, decreased waste and loss during the production process, as well as decreased environmental impact, decreased risk of occupational accidents, and improved worker safety. Today's video will conclude with a contemporary lawnmower. The ROC RT 730 is a cutting-edge lawnmower with several exceptional and superior features. This device is a representation of agricultural sector advancement and progress. The 2 sections of this machine's unique rake system, whose operating width ranges from 5.95 meters to 7.3 meters, are adjusted in width using a double hydraulic lever system. Considering the separation between the 2 pickups, it is possible to load one conveyor belt on the right and one on the left when the pickups are closed together or both on either side. It can download a crop between 2 elements, either on both sides, one in the center and one on the left, or one in the center and one on the right, despite the fact that the receivers are separated and spaced away. Additionally, this variant has a shipping width of 2.5 meters and can be folded for transportation. Are you curious about how farmers gather nutrient-rich blueberries? One of the most cutting-edge agricultural devices, the Oxbow 7420 and 7440 blueberry harvesters, are made to gather fruit fast and effectively. The process now takes just a few hours, as opposed to a few days, and the machine can harvest up to 300 tons of blueberries per day. The device contains a precise and adaptable pruning system that cuts out extra branches, maximizes the amount of fruit on the tree. The automatic fruit separating system also contributes to improved harvesting precision and effectiveness. The Oxbow 7420 also has an autonomous steering system which makes it easier and more accurate for the vehicle to maneuver on uphill roads. It also lessens the effects of humans on the environment. Having exceptional qualities, farmers have been able to pick blueberries more effectively and with less labor expense, thanks to the Oxbow 7420 blueberry harvester. This is a typical instance of how agriculture and technology work together to increase productivity in the fruit export sector. To continuously increase productivity and product quality, innovators innovate frequently. A new range of harvesters, named the Select 200 Double Row Conveyor, has been introduced by Grimm. This cutting-edge machine boosts productivity and shortens harvest time. With a strong motor and dual conveyor system, do you wish to invest in one of these amazing tools for your farm? One of the most brilliant and wonderful designs that man has ever produced is this: a forage harvester called the new Holland FX60 is made specifically to collect and bale feed for beef cattle. The baler sits behind the chopper in a special structure that was built by farmer and contractor Nage Halt Jose from Winterswitch to simplify the shredding and baling procedures. The forage harvester typically travels behind a tractor that has a baler, but in this case, you'll notice that these two distinct processes are combined into a single device. Using this special structure makes harvesting and baling more simpler each time. The material is forced into the back baler by the chopper, which then creates tiny bales. One reasonably sized bale was consumed before mold could grow inside, so you may always have a fresh bale to feed the cows. This guarantees that the cows are always fed with tasty fresh grain, which promotes production and improves the quality of the meat. As there is no need to construct a silage pit or huge cellar, this is a fantastic alternative for small cow farms with low output volumes. Do you want to know how much this special machine costs? Ed lawnmower used in fruit orchards in the Italian area of Sutoro is currently in front of you. The Van Wammel Perfect VT225 has an eye-catching orange color and is attached to a tractor. It has a 360-degree rotating cutting head that can be adjusted to fit a range of sizes from 1.65 meters to 2.25 meters. The Van Wammel Perfect VT225 lawnmower is regarded as one of the greatest lawnmowers on the market right now, thanks to its cutting-edge technology and durable construction. The highly developed hay baling machine, Bale Boss 4v2, is intended to automate the collection procedure, stacking and compressing hay bundles. Farmers that must process a significant quantity of hay quickly are the target audience for this machine. The device is an arm that compresses and gathers hay from the field into rectangular bales using hydraulics. The operator of the Bale Boss 4v2 can modify the machine's compression and speed settings to optimize the hay baling process thanks to a monitoring system that is built into the equipment. The machine produces rectangular bales that are uniform in size and shape, making them simpler to transport and store. The Bale Boss 4v2 was made to be effective and productive, but it was also made with safety in mind. The machine has numerous safety measures, including emergency stops and safety guards to guard against mishaps and injuries. This massive machine will have no trouble. The hazelnut crop is promptly harvested in the thousands of tons. They are then brought outside the field to the transportation carriage, where they are poured into trucks. Even the machine operators are surprised by how quickly everything happens. When it comes to tilling work, the OMC Brush Hog is a very dependable device. This product can help users save money and time by replacing up to 30 laborers. The tilling brush's quality is especially noteworthy because it was made to work in the harshest conditions. The land could provide guaranteeing the utmost efficiency during the tilling operation. The 2021 OMC Hedgehog is a robust tool, made specifically for trimming and cutting hedges. It is a dependable and effective alternative for any trimming operation thanks to its load-sense hydraulic system and 200 horsepower 4.5 common stage V-Joule turbo engine. The vehicle can tackle any terrain thanks to its four-wheel drive, four-wheel steering and traction control. The operator is comfortable in the heated and air-conditioned cab, which also has LED lights and a backup camera for better visibility. Additionally, the machine may have a steering wheel tilt hydrostatic gearbox and powder coat finish. The OMC Hedgehog can easily handle any hedge trimming project because of its 100-gallon fuel tank. And look at this monster gathering wheat. This machine is unique in that it can combine tilling and harvesting on the smart screen. The working area wheel path and all activities are readily visible. This is a fantastic pairing as can be seen. In comparison to the previous technology, the integrated soil tiller with on-site fertilization has doubled crop productivity and reduced cultivation time. A different fertilizer machine that only operates on level land and has a bigger capacity. With a pump, this water tank is quite large. It will undoubtedly be a practical solution for tasks requiring water. Can you identify this machine's operating principle with a tiller tool? At either end of the composting nozzle, the manure can be ejected and absorbed into the soil more quickly and with less air pollution. Hopefully, knowing about the best agricultural machinery would provide farmers with more options and help them maximize their output. For the most recent news on equipment technology and the science and technology sector, I wish you continued success and growth in both business and life.